So I was asked, how do I do these inside corners by hand? And I've got other videos on this, but this is a simple one. I've got no ceilings in here. So this is a very simple one. Now understand, when I taped this, rolled it, and glazed it, I coated it that same day. This tape was very wet still, but I was able to get a coat on. I found out with the +3, it doesn't matter to me so much as if I tape and coat things the same day, I don't have a problem skimming them once it's dry. Once it's dry. I'm going to express that one more time. Once it's completely dry. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I dusted it all down and I ran my sand pole in here and I got it all skimmed. Now I'm going to mud the side up. Just get this one side, mud it all up. Okay. And then I'm going to flare this edge in, take quite a bit of that mud off that I just put on, okay? Now when I'm running this angle, the side of my knife is going to be cleaning off this wall here that has already got mud on it. So when I'm running this angle, I want to make sure I'm squared up to that side. So as I'm running it, wiping it down, it's cleaning the mud off of here. I'm not leaving a bunch of mud on there, right? So that's important. Now if I have a few spots, and I do, I want to pull them out this way. Don't mud up this way. I gosh, I watch guys mud up seams like this. Oh, it drives me crazy. Now, understand, this side probably isn't great right now either because I mudded this while it was wet. So it needs a tight skim coat on this side, but I don't have to go all the way into the angle anymore. That angle is perfect. There's nothing wrong with that angle. So all I have to really do is I have to skim where the edge of the tape is, and that's really all I have to do. And now when I come back to sand this is going to dust off so easy. It's just going to be so simple and so easy. I may have to take a sanding sponge in here and clean the angle a little bit, but nothing major. But the one thing I really wanted to stress is it needs to be dry. If this is damp at all, has any type of moisture or wetness in it at all, when I just did that, I would have gouged out this side. This side would have gouged out. I would have had a whole bunch more garbage in my mud because I would have just gouged it out and put more dry mud in this wet mud. So it needs to be dry. You know, I don't have my brand new t-shirts on. It says, walk away, let it dry. But in this case, when you're doing angles like this, you need to walk away and let it dry thoroughly before you try to do the other side. Yes, have a great day. Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.